Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a custom URL for a YouTube channel on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So there's a couple of requirements, first of all, that you need to meet before you can go ahead and change your URL to a custom one. And that's that your channel has to be at least 30 days old. You need to have at least 100 subscribers. And also your channel art, so your actual channel icon and profile picture, needs to be a custom uploaded piece. So if I go to my youtube.com, and you can see that at the moment, my channel, I actually started back in January of this year, so it's actually it's a few months old now. If I go into my channel, you'll see I've actually got 800 subscribers, and I've got my own profile icon and my own channel art, which is this banner at the top of the page. So if you've done all that, then what you can do is come ahead and click onto your profile icon, and then you need to come down to YouTube Studio. So what we're going to do from here, once the studio is loaded, is we're going to come down and click on to customization, which is in this menu on the left hand side. If you just scroll down, you'll see it here with the little picture of the wand. And then what we want to do is just click onto basic info, which is up here at the top. And what we're going to do from here is just scroll down, and you'll see there's just here where it says channel URL. So this is my actual original channel URL. And you'll see if you have met the requirements, you'll have an option here to enter a custom URL. If I click the Learn More tab here, you can go through and just read a bit more information. And as you can see, you've got the 4 requirements there that I went through at the start of the video. And as long as you've met that, then you can come ahead, follow these steps, and you'll be able to update and add a custom URL from the screen. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link down below in the video description, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.